Hello there, it's Christian at Grantham's in Retford. So today I'm going to be showing you a 2022 KNAUS 500 UF. So we're going to start off by having a look on the outside of the Caravan. So the Caravan is equipped with what you'd normally find. So you've got your Alco stabiliser just there. You've got your 13-pin Continental socket, handbrake and jockey wheel. Now the jockey wheel does have a load indicator on there, which can be quite handy. Nice long A-frame, as you'll find on a lot of the Continental Caravans, and the gas locker there situated at the front with a window and then the sunroof just up above. So this one looks really stylish. It is very different to what you'd normally find on the UK market. So on the side here we've got a silver sort of decal here, sort of dark grey if you like, and then a dark blue. So you've got a storage locker just here. Essentially that goes directly under the fixed bed. You've got vents here for your cooker and also for your heating. And then this Caravan has got an internal water tank, and that is where you'll fill her up just there. So coming round to the back, you've got the KNAUS Cat Eye Evolution lights. And then round to the offside, you've got the Dometic Toilet cassette just in here. Apologies, it's a Dometic. Got your frosted window there. Okay, so just here, it's where you're going to have an external electric point, and then next to her is where you'll pop your mains in. So there's an awning rail on this side, and you've also got a rail that goes around the wheel arch as well. And that brings us back round to the front. So I've just stepped foot into the Caravan now. What you'll see straight ahead of you as you walk in is your kitchen space. You've got a really nice long worktop. You've got a deep sink there, and then you've also got your 3 gas burners. Lots of cupboard space. You've got a pull-out drawer just here as well. And then you've got this LG microwave underneath. Got a fridge to the left hand side of that, which does have a separate freezer compartment at the top. So having a look at the front, got a nice large wraparound seating space there, and you've got a freestanding table. Got net curtains and tabards on all the windows. And as seen from the outside, you've got that nice large sunroof letting lots and lots of light into the Caravan. Got these little spots under here, and they also have a little USB charger built into them, and a couple of plug sockets to that side as well. And then onto the other side, you've got another spotlight with your USB port. Okay, on your left hand side as you walk into the Caravan, this is the place for your television. So you've got a plug socket there. It is pre-wired if you chose to have an aerial fitted. But you've got the triple arm bracket so that you can see the television from the front, but also at the back. Okay, so we've got really, really big sort of wardrobe space here. So lots and lots of storage. And all the KNAUS Caravans come equipped with a leisure battery. Okay, so this one is the French bed. It's a 4-berth, so the front will set up into a double, but you've also got this really nice, comfy memory foam mattress to the rear. And underneath, you're going to find, again, lots and lots of storage. And remembering that it's got the locker so you can get direct access from the outside. Lots of cupboard space again, lockers, and more of those spots with the USB attached to above the bed, and you've also got a mains plug socket as well. Just across from the bed, you've got this little vanity unit space with sink and mixer tap. And a couple of spots up there with some hooks, maybe for some hand towels. Lots and lots of storage space. And then in here will be the wet room. It is combined shower and toilet, but it does have its own shower head because the sink is just outside, I see. So one of the things with having shower curtains is it does sort of tend to stick to you. Now on this, it's got this little chamber that you fill with air, and essentially it pulls the curtain away from you to stop it from sticking to you, which I think is a bit of a genius invention if you ask me. And there's the Dometic Toilet. We've also got a little hanging rail there for some wet clothes. And there we have it, the 2022 KNAUS 500 UF. If you'd like to pop in, we are open 7 days a week, Monday to Saturday 9 till 5, and then on Sunday 10 till 4. You can pop me an email if you've got any questions. It's christian.pearson@granthamcaravans.co.uk, or you can give us a call. It's 01777 838 193, and this is to be seen at our Retford site situated just off the A1. Thank you very much for watching.